The Bentley Continental has really become an affordable supercar. This car turns heads, no matter the age of the car. It truly has a timeless look. With a $50,000 budget, we'll get you one of the later V8 models, introduced in 2012. With 500 horsepower, the twin-turbo motor is almost as quick as the V12, with an official top speed of 192 miles per hour. This is where the sensible money goes, if buying a Bentley could ever be described as sensible. This is an amazing supercar which will make you look like you have footballers' money. A true head-turner. Buying a supercar shouldn't be a logical purchase. If you're ready to put all rationality to one side and search for a car that'll make your heart flutter the second you look at it, we'd recommend the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. The model we're looking at here first arrived in 2005, but if anything, it's only got more attractive with age. You could easily park one up in your living room and just take it in. It's glorious. It also sounds glorious, even if it's not quite as quick as you might expect. With 426 horsepower, the 4.7-liter V8 will accelerate the Vantage from 0 to 100 kilometers in around 4.7 seconds. The Audi R8 first came out in 2007 and still turns heads in 2023. You can pick up a naturally aspirated 4.2 L1 with low mileage and still accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The Audi R8 is a cheap supercar, and it will definitely make people turn their heads and think you are rich. Still 3 more cars, so please like and subscribe if you are enjoying the video. Say hello to the Maserati Granturismo. The Granturismo uses a 4.7-liter V8 engine and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 4.9 seconds, while top speed is a mighty 183 miles per hour. Despite its gorgeous looks, you can hardly tell it's been on sale since 2007. The Maserati Granturismo passes under the radar for a lot of supercar buyers. That means it's significantly cheaper than an equivalent Ferrari. With $50,000, you'll be looking at a 4-year-old example, which will make most people turn their heads as your engine rumbles past them. It is described as a supercar killer because of its cheap price and insane performance. It is, of course, the Nissan GTR, capable of covering 0 to 100 kilometers in just 2.7 seconds. The Nissan GTR is one of the fastest cars you can buy, no matter what your budget. The supersonic GTR is unbeatable value, while its large and practical nature makes it surprisingly easy for everyday use. The Jaguar F-Type, it's incredible. No matter which engine you go for, the Jaguar F-Type is a lot of fun to drive. It feels more special than many of its rivals, and its price tag is actually very reasonable. With our $50,000 budget, you can get a 3- or 4-year-old F-Type R. This flagship supercar uses a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine to provide truly awesome performance, packing 550 horsepower and covering 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4 seconds flat. We have covered 6 amazing cars, which all in their own right will make people turn their heads and stare. These 6 cars are cheap, and people will definitely think you are rich. If you have enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also check out more content by clicking on screen now. Thanks for watching.